Hi everyone. I want to talk about pronouns. They do different jobs in sentences. And it used to be that every single noun used in English, back in the Old English and Middle English days, sounded a little bit different depending on their job. Now it is mostly the pronouns that change to tell you what job they're doing. So, if I am the person speaking, known formally as the first person, and there's just one of me, it's I. You know what? Let's center that so it stands out. And I hit the ball. What if you and I together as a team hit the ball? All right, then we hit the ball. Fine. That's the plural form of I. These are all different ways to spell I to change the job. Oh, and that was the sound of my dog making a comment. All right. Whose ball is that? It's my ball. What if it belongs to the whole team? It's our ball. So that is the possessive form, and it's the adjective. You need to then say ball, my ball. And if I need a pronoun form of it, I'm just going to say the ball is mine. Or, again, if I recognize that it belongs to the whole team, the ball is ours. But what if instead of me hitting the ball, I hit it so hard that it went all the way around the earth and the ball hit me? I am the object of that sentence, or then it caromed off of everyone, so the ball hit us. That is the all of us object form of the first person pronoun. Oh, so I was the one who hit it in the first place, and then it came all the way around the world and hit me? Or maybe it was a boomerang? All right, that is myself. I hit myself, or we hit ourselves. All of these words are different ways of saying just one concept. It simply changes depending on the job in the sentence. There we go. All right. I'm going to move on fairly quickly to the other pronouns, but you can stop the video at any point. The person I'm talking to, or the people here, again, let's center it, are you. I'm talking to you. And if that's your ball, excellent. I might point at it and say, oh, that one's yours. And the ball, I hit the ball very badly, and the ball hit you. And it hit yourselves. The whole team over there. Now, I did mention that in English, the singular form is thou. I'm going to write it out anyway, because I love words like this. Thou. It is thy ball. The ball is thine. I hit thee. And thou hitted thyself. Also, in modern English, obviously, we mostly use this form to refer to one single person. So I want to make it clear, we now say yourself, not selves, but self, to mean one person whacking themselves in the head with a boomerang. Alrighty. This is he, she, or it, otherwise known as they. And it is his ball, her ball, or its ball, or that thing there is his, hers, or its. Let me go over there. It is their ball, or theirs. Let's see. I turned around and hit him, hit her, or hit it. And I turned around and hit them. Oh, how rude of me. himself, herself, itself, or they whacked themselves in the head with the boomerang. Remember that they, their, theirs, and them and themselves is a good way to refer to a singular person if you don't know their gender. See what I did there? You don't know their gender? All right. I'm going to give you one more word. The interrogative pronoun. What the heck is that? That's just who. Now I'm going to center these so they stand out right. Who hit the ball? There are no plural different forms here because we don't know if it was one person or several people who are responsible for this. But whose ball is this? That ball is whose? Notice those match. The ball hit whom? And I don't think there is a reflexive pronoun form. I would just say who hit themselves. A lot of people wonder when to use whom. That's why I wanted to say this. You use whom in the exact same place that you would say him or them. That M actually comes from the same source in old forms. So if I'd say I hit him, then if I'm wondering who I hit, I would say I hit whom? That's always your test. When to use whom? Does it sound right to use him? Thanks for listening.